So hello guys, welcome to the brand new gadget series video. Today I have bought all these gadgets for you. So to know the use of all these gadgets, watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. So the first gadget that I have in my hand is this portable mini sewing machine. So you can use this sewing machine basically when you are on a traveling purpose, when suddenly any of your clothes get torn. At that time, since you don't have any mechanical sewing machine, you can use this. So carry this with your backpack anytime when you're traveling. So with this you can actually stitch any of your clothes. It doesn't matter what type of cloth it is, like if it's a silk cloth or if it's a woolen cloth, if it's a leather cloth. But the point that you have to note is if the cloth you're using for stitching is very hard, then you can't use this. So now I'll demonstrate how to use a sewing machine. So first put any of your thread, any color here in this part, and after that scroll this backward or forward. When you will scroll it backwards, this thing will move up, and when you will scroll down, it will move down, and accordingly put your piece of cloth here, and now the product will work like this. See how good is this and how satisfying it is to see. So with this sewing machine you can repair any of your torn clothes anywhere, anytime, without any hassle. Now the second light is a outdoor light. It's not a normal outdoor light, it's a solar outdoor light. Sorry guys. So you can place this product anywhere, like anywhere outside your house, on top of your gate wall, or next to the ground, or any ground next to your garden. So these outdoor lights are weather resistant. It's resistant to any type of weather, if it's raining outside or if it's fog outside. And how it's usually work is, if there is light presence outside this product, it will not work. But as soon as there is no presence of light around this wall light will turn on. It will only work on night, and also it's energy saving. It charges automatically through solar power. So the third product is a phone holder. I don't know about you guys, maybe it looks like a snake for you or like a little worm, but I love its shape, its design. So it's very portable. It has suction cap at the back, so you can place this product anywhere you want. Like right now I'm placing it on the table. With the help of this product, you can place any of your phone. It doesn't matter the size, the thickness of your phone. This holder will hold on any phone of yours. So to avoid any confusion, I want to say one thing, that this thing is not included with this product. You have to buy differently. Actually in my studio I have this one for me, so I have bought this. So if you want to place your phone, you should also buy this one. So by using this both, only then you can use it as a holder. So now the next toy is a toy that your children will love. So it's a bubble gun. Also you can use this as a fan, like this, you can see, especially in the summer season. But for that you have to put 3 AA batteries in it. Along this product you will also get a liquid solution that you have to put inside this gun, and after that from this 10 holes the bubble will come out. You can use this product during your fun times to play with your younger ones, with your kids. So that's the main purpose of this product. And the liquid solution that you get with this bubble gun will not provide any harm to you, any human body. So it's completely safe. So the last product is a product that you may be knowing. It's a wall holder. With this product you will get a sticker. Just place a sticker on any part of your wall, and you see this gap. Just place this wall correctly on that sticker, and you can use this wall mount without any issues. So by using this gadget you can hang any of your products, such as your keychains or any other product that you feel to hang in. Other than that, it also have another purpose. You can also use it as a phone stand. I'll show you how to use that. Open this part like this, and at the same time you can hang your favorite products here, and also you can use it as a phone stand. You can place your phone here and use your phone. So that's about all the gadgets that I've introduced to you today. So if you find any of these gadgets useful, please or do check it out.